Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on Vedic Mathematics. In today's video, I am going to show you a unique way to find the square of numbers that have a 0 in the middle, like 407, 103 or 809. Using this method, you can calculate their square mentally in just a few seconds. Let me explain with some example. Suppose you want to find the square of 407. First, square the first digit 4, which gives you 16. So, we write that here. Next, square the last digit 7, which gives 49. And we write it here. Now, multiply this number 4, 7, 2. And this gives us 56. And we write here. So, square of 407 is 165649. Let's try another one. Suppose this time you need to find the square of 103. First, square the first digit 1, which gives you 1. Next, square the last digit 3, which gives 9. But here we need 2 digits. So, we write it as 09. Now multiply 1, 3, 2. Again, we write it as 06 to keep it 2 digits. And this is the square of 103. Now let's take 809. Square of 8 is 64 and square of 9 is 81. Multiply 8, 9, 2, which gives 144. Since this is a 3-digit number, we will carry 1 over to 64. So 64 plus 1 equal to 65. So you will get 654481. This is our answer.